I'm back with another video. Today, in the last video, we talked about experience. Uh, Today, we will be discussing for Qualcomm. So basically, Qualcomm they started with me with the. So there were two fellow. One was basically I was guessing he was basically focused on more HR side, technical HR. So he asked me about my thesis, project, whatever courses I study. Some courses was new, like there was some organic semiconductor related subject was there. So he asked me what you studied in that subject. So basically he wanted to know if whatever I have studied in which subjects, everything in brief. Although my interview was digital, but they asked me about to draw a low pass filter using an op amp. I don't know why this question came related to analog, because the interview was fully based on the digital. So next question they ask about Mealy machine. Few FSM related questions. They asked me a little bit in the difference between the two machines, and I just discussed about few basic question about FSM just in the continuation. Now the next they give me a the interview went for 45 minutes. So in first 15 minutes they talked about the basic all these things, and the next 30 minutes they discussed me about the some real life problem in which they give me to implement a traffic signal for which from all four sides the traffic is coming, and from all four sides the traffic is coming. They would ask me to draw the FSM states, how many FSM states will require, will it be Moore or Mealy, how the output of one side depend on the other side. In the end they asked me a pseudo code for the implementation. They basically was whenever as as I am giving the answer like we need this number of FSM, they are asking the question in continuation. So in the end they wanted a pseudo code for the implementation. And to understand the problem I will just give you a brief. So here the signal, if you will see the left side is free, there is no need of signal to go to the left side, but there will be four signal. One will be the red, one will be going into right side, one will be straight rights both or either, and one will be like orange. So something, these three or four signal will be there on each side and dependent on the all four side. So the problem was this kind, and you need to give the FSM, how many FSM state will be required, which will be more useful here, Moore or Mealy. How the output of one side is depending on the other side. Once you will draw the FSM, then they will ask how the output of this side is depending on this side. Just they will ask to show you in that, and a pseudo code in the end, like not proper Verilog. Just don't worry if you will not know the syntax. They will not judge based on the syntax, but they will see the whatever what is your logical approach for this question. Yeah, so this was all about my Qualcomm interview. I will come back with the next video, the next company interview. Thank you all.